You got a video going?
What?
You got, wait a minute. Look at her. Look, yeah, look at her. Look. Hey, I know we had to pack on alternating weekends. Changing the itinerary. Terry, Pam, and Eric will give her 3 days off. She'll bring Dad down here for a week and stay.
Kiss her again.
All right, kiss her again.
Okay, Charles.
Hey, you just broke my damn cigarette.
Better that than you're told. Hey, get your money
No,
out. We
buddy.
can't take
Love
that
you,
with
buddy.
us. We cannot take that with us. I do not
Come
have
back,
time for it.
come back though. Like this coming weekend, let them do 3 days, then you come back the following week, and you and her can.
Fill water up.
Yeah, you and her can run around. Look at that. See, that's where she sits on the couch and licks herself. Now look at that big wet spot.
Zachary, dump your money out and come on.
I'm keeping it up.
I'm ready here.
I'm not taking that thing home. I don't have room for it, and I'm not taking it this time.